coffee. Remember to subscribe to the channel and put a like. That helps a lot.
안녕하세요. 저는 파우스토입니다. Welcome to 카페가드 for a new episode. Today we are in a really great location on the Han River. Today we're gonna use our new Pezzetti machine that my friend Andrea sent over to us. This is the red color Ital press. We also using camouflage coffee from a couple of stations from here. Took some station. And I'm gonna grind the beans now quickly for you. Oh wow, it's beautiful here. Fantastic view. It looks like the skyline of New York City, but just bigger. Also, we have a train just behind us. This is interesting place. So what I like about the Han River is that all the parks around the Han River are being activated to parks. So people hang around here for picnics. They order food. They have Korean fried chicken or pizza by the river. So it's beautiful to see this activation. The Han River is also great for bicycle riding. There is a bicycle lane that runs through the Han River. If you're a fanatic of bicycle, like my brother Mauro, this is the place to be. It's awesome. So we are in a camping design area. I'm gonna just pour water. As usual, I'm just gonna follow the procedure, which I always do, even though this is a Pezzetti. And before we continue, just remember guys to subscribe to the channel and put a like. That helps a lot with the algorithm. I'm going to put the coffee, which I ground with my beautiful cafeteria. It's a funny word. Let's try this coffee from our friends and see if it's yummy. Done. Andrea, if the machine doesn't make a good coffee, I'm gonna come and catch you. Okay, now we have just to wait. And we got our espresso cups here. Here we are, guys. It's coming. Look at that. 냄새 좋아요. Whoa. Freddo. 좋아요. 좋아요. And the sun is going down, look. That's it. Coffee. Actually, it's a bit late to have coffee. Are you gonna be able to sleep tonight? Ci sayo. Buono. Bean is good and the coffee is yummy. If you're interested guys in new Pezzetti Moka-pot, we're gonna put the link in the description. So check it out. Only 42 available. So rush guys because they're gonna end soon. Thank you again, Andrea. If you like the video, remember to put a like and subscribe to the channel. We're gonna keep you updated with new videos every week and we're gonna talk about coffee. Coffee is our second nature. Salute. Ciao.